Located along Mumbai-Pune Expressway and 75 kilometers from Mumbai Airport, the National Institute of Securities Markets is established by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The campus is spread across 70 acres of land with a total built-up area of 67,530 square meter and is executed by Western Zone 1 Central Public Works Department. The orientation block houses the administrative offices and facilitation center for students. The amphitheatre next to the auditorium and dining space can accommodate about 1,000 people at a time. Library building is housed abutting to two hillocks to merge to the local topography, thereby integrating the essence of green building concept. The academic area is constructed with 4 numbers of academic blocks interconnected at every level. Hostels with 900 student capacity is constructed with modern amenities. The campus is built for 3-star green rating with technologies such as solar panels, solar reflecting glasses, rainwater harvesting and sewage treatment plant. The swimming pool next to the cafe provides for the perfect health and recreation. The campus also has all the indoor amenities with modern equipments required for facilitating world-class education, interaction and recreation. The campus is constructed with modern and local construction materials such as stamped concrete, glass fiber reinforced concrete panels, acoustical cloud false ceiling and lightweight foam blocks. The project was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister of India on 24th of December 2016.